Some of the things that I like about the chemistry program at MSUM are the small class sizes and the fact that the faculty actually know who you are and actually get to know you. There's a lot of opportunities that you can do, from undergraduate research to being laboratory assistants and getting paid for that. And most of the classes that we have labs associated with it, and it's usually 3 hours a week for each lab, and they're only worth 1 credit each. And then essentially in the lab what you're doing is some of the stuff you talk about in class, then some of the experiments or some of the theory that is actually put into practice then for us. So it's kind of a nice way to get a hands-on experience with what we're learning in class to kind of tie it all together. With undergraduate research, you get to work one-on-one with a faculty member, usually for a few hours a week, and some of the benefits of that is you really get to know the faculty member as a person, and they also get to know you. And that actually helps you, because when you want to talk to somebody, usually they're the first person to go to. And in terms of letters of recommendation, they're also able to vouch for you and write them more easily because they actually know who you are and what you've been doing. For my research, for 5 semesters I worked with solar cells and testing different dyes on these dye-sensitized solar cells, and we measured the properties of these solar cells. And using mainly organic dyes, so things derived from pomegranates or other kind of fruits, and we can actually capture light and generate electric potential and actually use that. And research is really an important part of the scientific community. So when you go to graduate school, basically, I mean, your whole time there you're doing research, so it's kind of nice to have the experience. Being able to write in a notebook is also an important part of being a scientist, so that kind of teaches you that as well.